Hey guys, welcome. And this is the Xiaomi Mi Band 9. Recently I've made some short videos on this, but in today's video we're gonna have a comprehensive review on the smartwatch. Now basically this smartwatch is a very trending smartwatch right now in this month of the year, because it's first of all a Xiaomi brand which everybody is hyped, and basically they're cheap products that they deliver with the quality. In this Mi Band 9, it's got feature packed with multiple accessories as well. So you can use this smartwatch as a normally smartwatch, or like having a silicone strap. You can also wear it for the ladies as a bracelet, and it's also got like a necklace. And finally there is some clip that you can clip this Mi Band 9 and clip it onto your shoes, so you can use for tracking your steps while you're running or jogging. So this is the Mi Band 9, that the features that it offers. But additionally we're going to talk about it that it's got a 1.62 AMOLED screen, but basically it's upgraded to 60 hertz, and the flow is very smooth when you're transitioning to menus or opening any other apps in the smartwatch. And basically the screen goes all the way up to 1200 nits, which is very bright. And finally it's also have the ambient light sensor, so you don't need to manually reduce the screen brightness and increase the screen brightness. So let's talk in the front that it's got a tempered glass and an aluminium alloy frame. At the back side of the watch you will have a health sensor and a charging port at the bottom. And looking at the sides, there is nothing, basically no buttons or some hardware like speakers or anything like that. Now to pair this watch is you need to install a Mi Fitness app, and it's Android app is available plus iOS. For those of you who have once because usually what I get in my comments in my other videos usually are the iOS users, because usually I demonstrate with Android phones. So for iOS users, yeah, you can pair this watch as well. Now this watch has also Bluetooth 5.4 and is also water resistance up to 50 meters submerged into water. It's got 150 of sports modes in this watch, with also other health features. I mean, like generally all the health features except the ECG and the blood pressure monitoring sensor. And the watch also has one upgraded feature is the vibration motor inside it. Most of the cheap smartwatch has a very bad feedback. This one has been refined like drastically, and it has modes or different modes of vibrations with the different for example, if you receive a notification, the vibration buzzing is a bit different. If it's an alarm, it's a bit different. And it's got a 233 mAh battery, which states that it can last up to 9 days of battery life normal usage, and 21 days of battery life when it's on standby mode, I mean like power saving mode. Right now we'll check into that maybe in the next week or two after using 1 week of this Xiaomi Mi Band 9. And the watch also comes in 4 colors, which is the black, silver, blue and pink. So in the box there is also a charging cable, and it's manual only. And this watch cost about $47, which is a non-ceramic version, which there is a ceramic version by the way, and this one is the non-NFC version as well. So that's the cheapest at $47. And right now this is available in China, but if you want it before global launch, you can order it from AliExpress. That link I have already pasted in the description. Basically this would also help me out because it's an affiliate link. And by the way, this Chinese market or variant of the smartwatch is only the language is only supporting for English and Chinese language. So if you are the person who is not using for the Chinese or English language, I recommend for you guys to wait for the global variant. Now that's all for the Xiaomi Mi Band 9. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for more content just like this, and catch you guys in the next video.